Hey my lovely Aries, what's up guys? How are you all doing, Aries? Comment down and tell us regarding what's up and what's happening with you all. We are here with the end May month. Okay, let's check out the energies which is grabbing in this end May month, and what is that your partner wants to reveal and wants to tell it to you. I'm gonna start reading the cards at what your person is really willing and they're wanting to tell it to you. Okay, what is it they want to bringing on the table for my lovely Aries people? Universe, please to guide what is the Aries person. Okay, wait, thank you. Okay, the very first card is the only card I would say is I look at my phone every day. Okay, so this individual somehow is looking at their phones hoping I would see a message from you. Text me if you can hear. Aries, your partner is somehow wanting a text message from you. They are missing you a lot. They are waiting for this one message to come from your side, and I think this is very big thing, because this individual seems to be waiting for you. This individual is someone who cannot move on, and they're still desiring a partnership with you, my lovely Aries. Okay, what do we have as in the tarot cards end May month? Lovely Aries, please universe guide us for the lovely Aries people. What's happening for the end May month? What is the scenarios? Okay, what else universe, please do guide us for my Aries people. What do we have for my lovely Aries people? The energies coming up. Okay, the next energy coming up. Okay, you just can check the bottom of the deck card. We have the devil here. Aries, importantly what I will say here is that you are in a situation, first of all, which the universe is telling me to say is that you probably are not wanting to have any kind of conversations with anyone. You are genuinely not allowing the people to enter your life, and especially the ones who are physically attracted towards you, who are wanting sex from you, who are wanting just bodily things from you, who are really wanting to take you to the rooms, and that's it. No other things are coming up. This individual is not ready to commit for a lifelong, but they are just only attracted to use your body till the time they are satisfied with you. So I think very bigger picture is seeming over here, my lovely Aries, and you have understood this particular thing, that you are no way giving importance to loving someone. You're no way giving importance to be with someone. You're ready, just you are moving on. You have left all these sort of these dramatic love, or the people who come and tell they're in love with you. You just feel it's really not worth of it, because what you feel is that your energies is very different. You are letting go of the past baggages and the past things. No relationship is what you're wanting to seek. You're not wanting, and right now your focus is not to enter into any kind of relationship, to have any kind of compulsion of okay, I want to be into the relationship with them. No, the person who is still wanting to bring in the cup of love, you're just not giving them to enter your life. You have closed your doors and every single door of your life to enter, to be with you, to get closer to you is really closed. Aries, comment and tell me how much really it is truth, as you are really not wanting any kind of dramas to happen anymore in your life in the terms of love, because you already know that the past experiences of yours in the terms of love was really hard, and it was truly bad. That phase was so bad that you have decided that I don't want to enter into these kind of things once again. sharing of the cup of love is just not your cup of tea right now. You are avoiding this as much as you can. You're walking away from all those silly people and the ones who really are taking you for granted, or the ones who are just physically attracted to you. You're just taking a back from all of these things, all of them, all of the people. You're just showering yourself, your mind with the pure love, the pure intentions to be with whom you want to be. So I think that is a very big thing. A bigger picture is arising, simply is what I can say. You are walking away. You have just thought of that you want to walk away in this, from this whole dramas, from this relationship things. You don't want to torture yourself with anything, guys, because you already know, Aries, that what is your dealings and what you want to become, how you want to become. But strongly, if you want to know your person's side, they are still missing you. They cannot move on from you. They are still in this patience that they are waiting for you. They will wait till the time they can, and they are wanting you badly to text, to have a conversation. So you have blocked the way where the person, this individual, can talk to you. You have just blocked all of those areas. So I think that eagerness, that urge to reconnect with you from their side is much more happening. I don't see you giving any kind of attention to any kind of persons over here. You're just wanting to focus on something you want really to be. You're achieving on the success thing is what I can say. Thank you so very much, Aries, for joining us, for watching the read. I hope that these under readings are resonating. Guys, one thing just you can do, if is possible for you, is to comment and tell us regarding how much is the readings resonating, how much are you getting helped by our reads. That's it, is what I can say. And if you people are wanting to keep that confidential, you can mail us through the tarotshark@gmail.com regarding our general reads, whatever is coming up, any kind of suggestions you want to provide us. You can just provide us without being hesitant about your things and thoughts. Okay. And thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining and coming and subscribing, liking the read, and share it, guys. Thank you.